If you're someone who has been struggling with joint or back pain, you know how much it can interfere with your daily life. Whether it's that sharp ache in your lower back or the constant stiffness in your knees, the pain can make even the simplest tasks feel nearly impossible. But what if there was a way to change that? Believe it or not, joint and back pain is incredibly common, and it can be caused by various factors. Age-related wear and tear, muscle overuse, injuries, or chronic conditions like arthritis and inflammation are just a few examples. These issues don't just affect your body, they affect your entire life, making it hard to stay active, sleep well, or enjoy your favorite activities. But here's the exciting part. What if I told you that there's a natural 20-second rub ritual using a special cream that could relieve up to 90% of your joint and back pain? Yes, you heard that right. A simple at-home method that you can use with just your hands and a cream, which has been transforming the lives of people suffering from chronic pain. Imagine waking up in the morning without that constant stiffness or discomfort, being able to walk, stretch, or even sit without pain. Sounds unbelievable? Stick with me because I'm going to explain exactly how this works. Believe it or not, joint and back pain is incredibly common, and it can be caused by various factors. Age-related wear and tear, muscle overuse, injuries, or chronic conditions like arthritis and inflammation are just a few examples. These issues don't just affect your body, they affect your entire life, making it hard to stay active, sleep well, or enjoy your favorite activities. Now, let's dive a little deeper into the root causes of joint and back pain. One of the main culprits? Inflammation. Whether caused by injury, chronic conditions like osteoarthritis, or simply muscle overuse, inflammation is the body's way of responding to damage, but it can also lead to severe pain and stiffness. That's why so many traditional treatments like medications, physical therapy, or even surgery focus on reducing inflammation. But these treatments often come with side effects, require a long time to work, or in some cases, don't provide the lasting relief you're looking for. This is where the 20-second rub ritual comes in. This method isn't just another temporary fix. It targets the source of your pain by improving circulation, reducing inflammation, and promoting healing. And it does all this in just 20 seconds, with a cream that you rub into your joints and muscles. The best part? It's natural, fast, and doesn't require any expensive equipment or invasive treatments. Now, I know you might be wondering, can it really be that easy? Well, thousands of people have already used this ritual with life-changing results. People who've spent years trying different medications, physical therapies, and even surgeries have finally found relief and regained their mobility. Here's how it works. The cream is applied to the affected area, whether it's your knees, lower back, shoulders, or any other painful joint. Within 20 seconds of massaging it in, it starts to work. By targeting specific pressure points and activating the body's natural healing mechanisms, this rub helps to release tension, reduce inflammation, and provide almost immediate relief. Imagine being able to stand up without wincing or getting through a full day without that nagging pain slowing you down. For some, the relief is almost instant. For others, it builds over time, giving them lasting results that get better with each use. Think about it. Just 20 seconds could be all it takes to get the relief you've been waiting for. What would that mean for you? More energy? More freedom to enjoy life? If you're tired of dealing with pain and looking for something that really works, this 20-second rub ritual could be the breakthrough you've been hoping for. If you're ready to learn more and start using this technique today, click the link below. There's a short video that explains exactly how to perform the rub ritual using the cream. Don't miss your chance to finally take control of your pain and get back to living your life pain-free. Click the link now and see how this 20-second rub ritual can change your life.